boy head. The shot is flying out the body guy like that. 2 shots dead to him chin. Enemy a friend, fake the funk, I put the junk to an end. Now who the rude boy want come test dog? I find his family, the ID, him in the mall. I bet you never thought I bust sled. Surprise, I'm a for the 5 blood head, just like
you
the
try
dread.
test the champion zone, you getting bucked down. Recognize the boot camp, click out of Bucktown. Gun thirsty little bastard, always blasted from the sacks of chocolate of Mother Gaston. You say you're #1 wicked selector. I say you Panani and I wet ya. Keep the bull for a pull, this your trigger. Cause you don't wanna test me when I'm tipsy off the liquor like the punk they call McGirt. Got his feelings hurt, showed his true colors, had to yank up his skirt. Now he's in misery, trying to cop a plea. Led to him head from gun clapper #3, see. Lick off a shot, you know dick rider. Lick a shot, put on and up on fire.
Now everybody wanna be Don Gaga, and all around New York niggas be talking, but we be stalking. In the darks when the gun starts barking, but in the day be wary of where you be walking.
Don't you ever mention about you want to the champion sound. Leave it to the people them, cause you know that when time the people them come out with them a ball for. Leave!
Me nah sex, me rough like the wicked youth in me. That motherfucker that be bugging off the truth he see. Original criminal running time, crime pays. That's what I practice, so act if you won't get blasted by my 9 shot. Come around my block, find a nice spot in the pine box. Murderer, body boy killer, colon power filler. We bout to get iller.
Song boy, you got enough reason to worry. Coming with my troops, we about to bury. Better pack your dubs and move in a hurry. Ease off, sin. Looking at my pager, it's about that time to load up the 9 and do my daily crime. Warriors, conquerors, the man before ya. Mr. Ripper, aka the enemy killer. My man with the weed is my man indeed. And all you sucky ducky niggas catch knots with speed.
Talking about you also. And my son who want test. You never know that when it comes to championship, it's we that have the management that correspond with good you to sing for good crew.
Lord, some boy gonna get dead tonight. Duke as I retrieve the 2-5 from my Tim boots. Target upon sight, trick upon cock. Adjust your pupils to see your dead boy walk. Enough pussy whore gonna die this year. Here comes the boot camp, slide it to the rear.
Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. More untouchable than niggas with the chicken pox. So MCs get lifted when I'm splifted. Nigga, guard your grill, cause Louisville packs the biscuit. Intercession Smith and Wesson OGC. Gun clapper #1 with my nigga DOG.
We bring the realness, feel this, boom is Black Moon, reveal this. We come to let you know what the deal is. Straight up, we serve justice. So if you can't be trusted, may you return where the dust is.
There is many sound that's going around and going on and going like a clown, but I'm telling you, clean up your work and come to the livestock, cause you are dead stock from morning and now is evening, everything's changed.